Nevertheless, the two of them stand or fall together. So here it goes. I contend that the puncturing of the subprime bubble in 2007 set off the explosion of a superbubble, much as an ordinary bomb sets off a nuclear explosion. The housing bubble in the United States was the most common kind, distinguished only by the widespread use of collateralized debt obligations and other synthetic instruments. Behind this ordinary bubble, there was a much larger super bubble growing over a longer period of time, which was much more peculiar.